Let's be honest. Can your HR tool manage all kinds of absences, such as family member leave, sick leave, compensatory time, training courses, or business trips? Why hang on to those messy Excel sheets or application forms with sloppy handwriting? Everything is going digital, and that's great. Let's take business trips. Think about a workflow which handles all relevant information like duration of trip, mode of transport, costs, and justification. Get on the fast track, accelerate the approval process, and comply with company policies. Axon Ivy's multi-step approval workflow offers you intuitive employee self-services and straightforward processing, configurable to your specific needs and with a smooth integration into your existing HR tool. Discover modern HR solutions with Axon Ivy.